Hi everyone, my name is Desiree. Um, I decided to take this class or this elective because I am trying to get my trauma certificate through Widener, and this was one of the options, I believe. I also already work in child welfare, so I always like staying, brushed up on new information and stuff like that. So what I hope to learn is, like I said, just any new information or any updated information about child welfare, different like techniques or interventions that could be used for kids who are in the system or families who have had to work with the system and things like that. Um, Something that uh, you should know, I guess, in regards to how I feel about child abuse. So I work for Child Protective in Delaware, and specifically my unit does all of the sex abuse and serious injury cases. So we're a specialized unit because they're the worst cases. So I feel like just having that experience has changed my view on a lot of things. I saw a quote one time that said, the abuse of an innocent thing is the essence of sin. And I just really like that quote. I'm not super religious or anything, but I do like that quote because, abusing an innocent thing like a child or even like an animal or something is to me one of the worst things that you could do. So I try to protect the kids on my caseload and work with the families as much as I can. But I look forward to working with all of you guys and seeing what your experiences have been like, and hopefully we get through this summer together. All right, thanks.